Do you ever wonder how you can get the benefits of henna without coloring your hair? What happens if like you're blonde, you got gray hair, and you just want the benefits of henna and you really do not want to stain your hair strands that kind of orange reddish tint? What do you do? Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadijah and I am the CEO founder of Hennasooq. I specialize in henna natural hair dye and Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and I do beautiful, gorgeous henna body art. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you with the lovely Courtney Violetta how she used a henna gloss treatment on her hair and did not color her hair because she has gorgeous blonde hair and she did not want to color it. And it applies to, if you have gray hair, this is the same kind of treatment you can use for yourself without coloring your hair. Courtney's hair is blonde with a slight wave, and she tends to feel that it's very dry. And just choosing the right Ayurvedic treatments can be tricky sometimes when you're not really sure, like, how is it gonna come out? You know, like, what do I use without staining it? Because it's such a common question. I get that all the time. So if you have similar hair type and can relate, or you have gray hair that you really don't want to color, you don't want to mess that tone that you have in your hair right now because you absolutely love the way that it looks, then this gloss treatment is for you. So let's get started. Let's go and see what Courtney did.
I'm gonna test out the Henna Gloss Bar. I used to have henna in my hair until quarantine happened and I removed it. I had it in my hair for about 3 years, and during that time my hair was so long and healthy and strong, mainly because henna is so beneficial to the hair. It makes it so healthy and strong over time, and I really do miss the benefits of henna, but I don't miss the act of coloring my hair with it. So when I realized there was a way to get the treatment that I want without getting the color that I want, I was like, okay, I need to try this. But obviously it does have henna in it, so it might leave little specks of red throughout the hair. It might leave a little tint of copper. I'm not sure yet, but we will find out. This is the Henna Gloss Bar from Henna Sooq, and can we all just appreciate how beautiful this is? I also bought Rosemary Essential Oil, which is said to be great for promoting hair growth by stimulating circulation to the scalp. All I did for this recipe was melt the entire Henna Gloss Bar on low and then added 1/4 of this coconut milk can to the pot. Oh, it actually smells like chocolate, so it doesn't smell anything like henna normally does. So I am going to apply this as if it were hair dye. I have some gloves on. I'm going to try to section my hair and try to use the brush, only because I know it will distribute better since my hair is dry. So I'm just gonna massage it into my scalp before I go on to the next section. I wanted to say, I feel like I'm very impressed with how it's applying onto my hair and how it's not grainy at all. That's one of the things that I don't love about using natural hair treatments. A lot of the times when I use the herbs, they're just so grainy and they are really hard to apply and hard to get out of my hair. So it's actually looking kind of dark now, and I'm a little scared that this is coloring my hair. I have faith that it's not, but there's just a fear, you know? One thing that I don't like is that this is now hard. It's like really hard. I'm curious why. Because like this side obviously isn't, but this side is like straw, like crunchy. So I actually decided that I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like finished tomorrow, because when I blow dry my hair, it tends to get really, really frizzy. So I figured for the best results of how this product actually works, I'm gonna show you it on my air dried hair, how I naturally would do it. I didn't put any products in after the conditioner, like no leave-in serums or anything. So we're gonna see exactly how this comes out. I noticed that in the shower, my hair felt very dry. That's the same feeling I was talking about earlier in the video when I was saying I don't like the feeling that other like herbs give me when they're on my hair. Like it feels grainy and it's really hard to wash out. Not that this one was hard to wash out, but it definitely felt grainy, and it feels like even though your hair is wet, it feels dry. All right, so I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow on the finished results of this hair treatment. So far, I like it. I would do it again. I love the smell. It wasn't hard to make. With that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. To be honest, I'm amazed. I cannot believe how shiny my hair is. Like, look at this. It's just so shiny. It feels like, it feels thicker. Obviously it's not thicker, but it makes my hair feel expanded, which I like. I love when my hair feels thick, and I'm just so excited to keep using this. Maybe I'll do it once a month or every 2 weeks or so. A lot of times after using henna, I would notice that my scalp would be a little oily, like I wasn't able to fully get it out. My scalp feels fine. I feel like tomorrow it might look a little bit oily just because that's what tends to happen for me when I use leave-in treatments. The next day it'll be a little bit oily. And it doesn't feel dry at all. Remember last night I was talking about how the ends were starting to feel like a little crunchy, like there's some grit in there. I don't feel like that at all right now, which is weird to me. I don't know how that happened. As for the color, I'm not entirely sure. I feel like part of me says it might have colored my hair a tiny bit. Another part of me says no, my hair was this color before. So overall, if you guys are looking to try henna without coloring your hair, I would definitely recommend this product. I had very light hair and I only left it on for an hour and a half, so if it colored my hair at all, it's not very noticeable, so it won't really do that to your hair, so don't worry.
So what do you think about her experience? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know, like, what do you think? Are you gonna give that hair gloss a shot and see how it turns out for your hair and get all those great benefits? I hope you do. Try it out, definitely, because I think you're absolutely going to love it. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell so we can grow this great community that we're in and you don't miss any of my videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So stay tuned. We got so much more coming, a lot of transitional things happening really soon before you know, and I can't wait to share that with you.